Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to find information in print books. So these are books that you're looking for and using from the library. So my research question is, how does my cell phone or other digital devices affect my personal health? So one of the books that I found in the library catalog is this book called How Are Digital Devices Impacting Society? So I think to myself, well, I'm part of society, so yes, this might have some information in here about it affecting my health. So I'm going to do some looks with the book. Um, Many books have summaries on the inside front covers. So you may look there or on the inside back covers. You will not see that here. Or you could read the summary on the very back cover and see if there's any information in there as well. Also, you're going to want to look at the table of contents. So here's the table of contents. So I would just kind of go down this table of contents and see. I don't really see too many chapters here that really interest me about my health. However, I do see this one on chapter 4, How Do Digital Devices Affect Physical and Mental Health? So this one I definitely want to read. Do digital devices promote crime? That's not really helping me with my health. So I definitely know that I want to look at chapter 4. So I'm going to go to chapter 4 on page 55. And so notice I only have about 15 pages to read rather than reading all 100. So I'm going to go to page 55. And I'm going to skim and scan through the chapter. Okay. So here's my chapter title. Okay, so it's got fitness and obesity. So yep, that might talk about personal health. Controversies over narcissism. So again, I'm going to look at that. That might have something to do with it. I'm going to make sure I look at all the pictures and the captions as I go through multitasking stress, the different headings and subheadings, new disorders, okay, technology addictions, overuse versus addiction. All right, so it looks like they've got some facts here. So this definitely looks like a book that I can use to get information from. So then I'm going to scan, and let's say I want to talk about my physical health. I want to know how this affects my physical health. So I'm going to go back to the beginning where I saw the picture. So here it says young people who are active in sports build muscles and heart health. Those who spend hours with their digital devices rather than engaging in physical activity are at a greater risk of becoming overweight and developing conditions such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. So this might be a fact I would want to use. Okay, and I can also skim and scan what it says about fitness and obesity and dealing with these devices. Okay, so maybe I want to limit that. So I would read through this section and I would find some good information that I want to support my problem, which is how it affects maybe physical health. Other studies challenge the widely held view that increases in access to mobile devices have led to decreases in time spent on physical activity. According to a 2010 Kaiser Family Foundation report, contrary to the public perception that media use displaces physical activity, those young people who are the heaviest media users report spending similar amounts of time exercising or being physically active. Okay, so that's someone who's disputing some of those ideas about digital devices causing people to not be as physically healthy. So those are some ways that you can look through books. You'll also want to check out the index, which is at the back of the book. Okay, so here's some source notes. I just got to kind of skim and scan for where the index is. So I have found the index. Okay, and so I want to see where it's talking about like some health. So I have health insurance. I'm not really interested in that. Privacy, information. Oh, okay, but look, here's where it talks about obesity and being overweight. So here I can just go straight to pages 55 and 57. So you really have to think about what your search terms are going to be. Just because you don't find it necessarily under health or under physical health or physical fitness, then you start thinking of some of those other terms. Like, is it under fitness? No, but it is under obesity and overweight. Okay, so You're going to need to think about your search terms when you're looking through the index as well, but it tells you directly which pages to go to. So that's a really quick video on how to use physical books when you're looking for research information. As always, if we can be of help in the library, please stop by and see one of us, and we'll be happy to help you on your topic and your research. Thanks.